Hello friends, welcome back to our channel Tech 360. In this video, we are conducting Kerala PSC Agriculture Officer Exam Mock Test Set 8. It consists of 30 MCQs, so watch till end and comment down your score out of 30. This video is sponsored by India's #1 online education platform, Unacademy. We are so happy and proud to be a partner channel of Unacademy. Unacademy is providing live special classes, special marathon classes, daily test series, mock tests, live quizzes, and unlimited recorded sessions. So download Unacademy Learning app from the Play Store and sign into the app and choose Kerala PSC as your required course and click on free live classes. After that, it will ask for any referral code. You can use FootTech360 as the referral code to unlock all free classes and free tests on Unacademy. Unacademy Learning app link is given in the description. So without any further delay, let's get started. Question number 1. Component of garden which is known as the heart of garden. Options: A. Pond, B. Rockery, C. Lawn, D. Lily pool. Correct answer: C. Lawn. Question number 2. Thigh sac brood disease caused by. Options: A. Virus, B. Bacteria, C. Fungus, D. Protozoa. Correct answer: A. Virus. Question number 3. Among the following is not an ingredient of Panchagavya. Options: A. Tender coconut water, B. Handful of topsoil, C. Jaggery, D. Puan banana. Correct answer: B. Handful of topsoil. Question number 4. Which one is Bacillus thuringiensis containing biopesticide? Options: A. Niprot, B. Biopower, C. Biocure B, D. Halt. Correct answer: D. Halt. Question number 5. Which of the following are correctly matched? 1. Muscardine to fungus, 2. Pebrine bacteria, 3. Graciare virus, 4. Flacheae protozoa. Options: A. 1, B. 2 and 4, C. 1 and 3, D. 1 and 4. Correct answer: C. 1 and 3. Question number 6. Which of the following is not an aim of good agricultural practices? Options: A. Ensuring safety and quality of produce in the food chain, B. Increase the grain production in India, C. Improving natural resource use, D. Creating new market opportunities for farmers. Correct answer: B. Increase the grain production in India. Question number 7. Soilless cultivation is. Options: A. Hydroponics, B. Aquaponics, C. Aeroponics, D. All of the above. Correct answer: D. All of the above. Question number 8. Non-branching type of tapioca. Options: A. Sri Visakam, B. H97, C. H165, D. H226. Correct answer: C. H165. Question number 9. Tectona grandis is the scientific name of. Options: A. Teak, B. Mandaram, C. Mangium, D. Viti. Correct answer: A. Teak. Question number 10. Which of the following is correctly matched? Options: A. Keraganga WCT to COD, B. Kerashankara WCT to Ganga Bandham, C. Kerasri WCT to MYD, D. Kerasaubhagya WCT to Lakshadweep Ordinary. Correct answer: C. Kerasri WCT to MYD. Question number 11. A bacterial wilt resistant chili variety. Options: A. Ujjwala, B. Jwalamukhi, C. Jwala, D. Jwalasakhi. Correct answer: A. Ujjwala. Question number 12. The seed rate of tomato. Options: A. 1 kg per hectare, B. 800 gram per hectare, C. 400 gram per hectare, D. 1.5 kg per hectare. Correct answer C. 400 gram per hectare. Question number 13. Oozy fly is the major pest of options A. Honeybee, B. Oyster mushroom, C. Silkworm, D. Paddy straw mushroom. Correct answer C. Silkworm. Question number 14. The duration of Hraswa variety of rice. Options A. 75 to 80 days, B. 95 to 100 days, C. 105 to 110 days, D. 110 to 115 days. Correct answer A. 75 to 80 days. Question number 15. Benefit of soil solarization. Options A. Control of nematodes, B. Control of weeds, C. Control of fungal pathogens, D. All of these. Correct answer D. All of these. Question number 16. Cardamom Research Station located at options A. Madakattara, B. Anakkayam, C. Pambadumbara, D. Srigaryam. Correct answer C. Pambadumbara. Question number 17. Which of the following is not a fungal disease? Options A. Leaf blight of paddy, B. Sheath blight of paddy, C. Brown spot of paddy, D. Blast of paddy. Correct answer A. Leaf blight of paddy. Question number 18. Which of the following is not a parasitoid? Options A. Trichogramma species, B. Phytophthora species, C. Goniosus species, D. Xanthopimpla species. Correct answer B. Phytophthora species. Question number 19. Select the disease not caused by virus. Options A. Mosaic, B. Tungro, C. Bunchy top, D. Citrus canker. Correct answer D. Citrus canker. Question number 20. On which date the National Panchayat Raj Divas is celebrated in India? Options A. May 22, B. April 24, C. May 24, D. April 22. Correct answer B. April 24. T20 test series is one of the largest online free test series in Kerala for LDC prelims. The series will have daily practice test of 20 questions on India facts, Indian Constitution, Kerala facts, mathematics, science and current affairs containing questions from the important recent topics and mock tests aimed at the upcoming exam, one topic per day as per the schedule. The test has been created by the best minds in Kerala PSC exam preparation domain and is also aided by the combined knowledge base of the finest educators we have in our platform. Also, Unacademy has started free test series for 10th level prelims. The test will be as per the syllabus of 10th level prelims. All questions has been made by the top educators of Unacademy. Detailed explanation will be available at the end of the test. Do you have the fear of exam? Then watch the free live classes of famous motivational speaker Dr. Bijesh. Question number 21. The organization formed to protect the interest of developing nations. Options A. G77, B. BRICS, C. G20, D. G7. Correct answer A. G77. Question number 22. The sixth schedule of Indian Constitution deals with options A. Panchayat Raj system, B. Union, state and concurrent list, C. The administration of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram, D. 22 languages. Correct answer C. The administration of Assam, Meghalaya, Tripura and Mizoram. Question number 23. Manpreet Kaur, who won gold medal at the 2017 Asian Grand Prix Athletics in China, is associated with options A. Discus throw, B. Long jump, C. High jump, D. Shot put. Correct answer D. Shot put. Question number 24. The organization founded by Vaikunta Swamigal. Options A. Atma Vidya Sangam, B. Tattvabodhini Sabha, సి విద్యాపోషిణి సభ, డి సమత్వ సమాజం. Correct answer D. Samatva Samajam. Question number 25. The award declared for UNESCO for popularization of science. Options A. Kalinga Prize, B. Heineken Prize, C. Kavli Prize, D. Kyoto Prize. Correct answer A. Kalinga Prize. Question number 26. The Haryana state government recently introduced Kilkari app. What is its aim? Options A. To create awareness about child labor, B. To create awareness about pregnant women, C. To create awareness among school children about drugs, D. To create awareness about alcohol. Correct answer B. To create awareness among pregnant women. Question number 27. The organization known as Bretton Woods Twins. Options A. IMF and IDA, B. IMF and MIGA, C. World Bank and IMF, D. IMF and IFC. Correct answer C. World Bank and IMF. Question number 28. The city which has been designated as UNESCO World Book Capital 2018. Options A. Canberra, B. Rome, C. Athens, D. London. Correct answer C. Athens. Question number 29. After this amendment, right to property became a legal right. Options A. 23rd Amendment, B. 42nd Amendment, C. 53rd Amendment, D. 44th Amendment. Correct answer D. 44th Amendment. Question number 30. Who was the Minister for Local Self-Government in the EMS Ministry of 1957? Options A. K.C. George, B. K.P. Gopalan, C. P.K. Chatan Master, D. T.V. Thomas. Correct answer C. P.K. Chatan Master. Now comment down your score out of 30. If you have missed out our previous videos, we have linked them down in the description. For daily updates and study materials, you can join us on our Telegram channel, Facebook and Instagram. Unacademy has started a new batch course named Vijayam 2021 for those who are preparing for LDC prelims. So subscribe to Unacademy because you will get the following benefits through Unacademy Plus subscription. For upgrade to Unacademy Plus, select the Plus button and choose your required plan. You can use FoodTech360 as the referral code to get 10% discount on your subscription. The fees can be paid as EMI also. So let's crack it with Unacademy.